Let's call Lesi usamge that she thought she secured, that is full of money. It looks like it's an empty bag. It looks like it's actually very much empty. Oh, Samge, my dear, uzifake p. Oh, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. So, on the past episode of Uthando Nesthembu, Usamke received a push present from, I would insinuate it was from Umusamseleku, but Umacele was actually the one who was packing the gift, as you can see on the video. Apparently, le mali lena angibalanga bathi abaziyo, this is 2,800 rand. So Usamke sarcastically said to Umusamselegu that she is so grateful for such a push present, imali po, because other ladies usually get push presents like hlampe a car or a house, you know, push presents nje angatheni, but yena actually she got money. And trust and believe me, ubemenze slim, like ubedlala ngayo, because what do you mean? 2,800? She was expecting more than that. But yes, since engazalanga intombazane, she won't be treated as special as she would think. Because Siyamazi Musamselego, he's a big advocate of boy kids that, boy kids this, and forever boy kids. So Umusamselego then says to her, ilona i-push present yemoto pho noma indlu. Hayi, wamehla ngehlaya. Wamehla ngohleko. He laughed hilariously. Like, this man does not take Umakwela like akamthathi serious at all. And with that being said, Usamge will not get the house and car because umhleke on national TV wathi hawungeke Makwela imoto noma umuzi. Guys, Umusa got his wife's Mercedes-Benz years and years ago. Usamge, by that time, she was still in primary school. They got primary school, if not high school. Mercedes-Benz amhlophe personaliziwe makhwela mangwabe ban, you know. And she came into Uthando Nesthembu with this dream of that I'll get a stezi and a nice car. And it seems like the dream is literally a fantasy at this point. And this is now coming to show evidently ukuthi kahle kahle lana umuntu who was driving this purchasing of the cars was Umakhumalo. Omunye uzothi with what? With her money. This just shows us ukuthi Umakhe has always had amandla. And right now, it's very unfortunate ukuthi Umakwela ufike engasekho imali. The bag is now empty. Without blabbling a lot, guys, please let me know what you think in the comment section below. Did Umakwela secure an empty bag, or maybe usazoyithola lo muzi lesitezi nemoto? Oh, Makwela. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe till we see each other again on the next video.